Tonight we're gonna tear down the walls. We're gonna laugh and drink and dance and have a ball. The good times ain't over after all. And tonight we're gonna tear down the walls. Well, it seems we let the hard times come between us, like a wall around our hearts we couldn't see. Hard luck and troubles came raining down upon us, and they almost got the best of you and me. Once we loved to stay at home and make love. Now work is all we ever seem to do. We've been spending too much time making money, and I think it's time we had a laugh or two. And tonight we're gonna tear down the walls. We're gonna laugh and drink and dance and have a ball. The good times ain't over after all. And tonight we're gonna tear down the walls. Well, you put on your party clothes and makeup, and I'll polish that old truck until it shines. Don't worry about a thing till Monday morning. Just leave hard luck and trouble far behind. And tonight we're gonna tear down the walls. We're gonna laugh and drink and dance and have a ball. The good times ain't over after all. And tonight we're gonna tear down the walls. The good times ain't over after all. And tonight we're gonna tear down